Hello children, hope you all are taking care of your health. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. But with that, including that, there is something is to be done, okay, which is very important. That is, take care of your precious, valuable time. Make use of it, okay. Make use of it in such a way that which is going to be helpful for you throughout the lifetime. Just learn something in this very important period, okay. This is the time which is to be required to be used in proper manner, because there is a saying that time and tide wait for none. Before it passes, something is to be done. So make use of this time, because once if it slips, you are not going to get it back. I know that, I can understand that you are not understanding what to do, right? So don't worry for that. We are with you, okay? Your teachers are with you. We'll just send some guidelines and some instructions to you all. So follow those. Then if you follow, you can make use of your time best, okay? Just once you ask yourself how best you are utilizing your time. See, daily before you sleep at night, okay? So you need to do 2 columns. So in one column you write down how best you utilize your time, and another column you just write down how worst you have utilized your time, means you wasted your time. But you yourself will realize how you utilize that day, because this day once passed, you are not going to get back. Look at this just clock now. You can see the movement. This time will not stop for anybody, whoever it may be. After paying crores of rupees also, we cannot stop running time. Yes, you may be thinking that cell, if you remove, we can stop the clock. But yes, sure, this clock can stop, but the time, whatever is running, whatever is moving, I am talking about it, that cannot be stopped by anyone. So extra you are getting time for the preparation now. Make use of it. Focus on the thing what is required for the development of your personality. What is required? Your reading skill will click you, writing skill, communication skill, even you can just have a vocabulary collection. Go for it and focus on even multiplication tables. This will help you throughout your lifetime, okay, to develop your all-round personality. Subject matter, okay, you can just wait for the text next year, whenever it will be provided to you, you can start out. But till then, basic concept you can clear, no? Whatever you have studied in last class, whatever class you are going, upcoming classes, you just leave. But at least till last classes, whatever you have studied, you can just concentrate on those, focus on the concepts, whatever you have studied. Once again, you have recapitulation of it, have best command over it, then you can easily step on the next also. But in case if you have next upcoming class textbook also, go for it, study it, okay, and make use of this time. As there is a story also, okay, old story it is, but gives very good lesson. Race between the rabbit and the tortoise. So tortoise was knowing that it's going to lose this race. Despite of that, participated in this race competition. You just have a look over the guts of that, because this rabbit was knowing that definitely it will get the victory, okay. So the game started, the race started. There was a particular time, state, where rabbit stopped itself with overconfidence, slept over there, whereas tortoise utilized this time and went on moving without wasting its fraction of second also, and reached to the level of victory. Though there was no chances of victory, got victory. The one who practice more is getting more. The one who practice less is getting less. That's it. There is the reason. That is the reason why children are not getting good marks, okay. So particularly don't depend on the marks also. Clear the concepts. The thing is, if there is pain, there is gain. If there is no pain, no gain. So make use of your time best and give your best in this duration. Plan out your time in such a way that little time you keep to spend with your family, little time you keep for your talent or hobbies or interested things, little time you keep for your rest zone. Rest zone in the sense whatever you can just have a work over there, okay? You can help your parents or your elders or anybody. So that time also has to be kept, and you have to keep particularly time for studies as well. If you plan out in this way, definitely you can utilize your time the best, okay? Hope you will follow this instruction and take care of your health with studies.